Hello and welcome back. So we'll continue with the generic models tutorials series. In this video, I will show you some other tools to play around. I have not used quite as much in this project especially, but I will tell you for knowing how to work with them. So if you follow the previous tutorials, you could see that you could do many things with extrusions and sweeps, void sweeps, especially to do these columns and the balcony, the window, and so on to sculpt. Now, if you go, so for those who are new, the principle is that you create an extrusion and you basically go on to the working plane and play around. Uh, but for those who saw the previous tutorial, I recommend uh, to see it beforehand if you haven't. Uh, I recommend you to be very attentive when you do this process of modeling. So you have many more options and you need to know for which purpose is every tool. So we have this blend. I have not quite used it and it because it didn't work as I would expect in the sense that there were some features that I wanted and it didn't work as I would like. I don't know, something like doing a custom column and to stretch it in a certain way, or uh, I don't have an example in mind, but I'll try to do, let's say, edit top. So if you see this diagram over here, you basically have to wait a bit. F1. Let's press F1. Oh no, it already shows. So basically, you do a plus sign, and a surface is on the top and one on the bottom. Let's say I have a top and I can pick a plane, but I think I will create a new document. I will work in the same, so I will work in fact in this same workspace. I will just give you the model and we will start from scratch. So blend, let's say I set the no, let's say I set the plane and I do a rectangle. So no, continue, sorry. Wait a bit. Uh-huh. Okay, so you basically have two planes, and when you finish with a face, you added the other one. Let's see how are they placed. Oh, they are on different parts. So I think I'll delete this, and I practice with it. Okay, let's save it, whatever. So, uh, let's see. I think I'll go in L1, and I model in place a generic model like this. Extrusion, not extrusion, sorry. I have to cancel. Create, blend. And now I create the base. I think I'm at the base. And after I am finished with the base, now I can create the top. And now I can pick a plane, and I pick this plane. Or it prompts me to click, let's pick L2, and it prompts me to go to L2. And now let's say I want to basically do a pyramid base. And now I think I will have the shape. Yeah, I have in fact the shape and looks like this. So yeah, I still have something which is interesting. I think I can even rotate if I add it top. Let's see if I rotate. Let's do a gimmick, something like this. Yeah, I can in fact rotate and obtain quite a form. And that's pretty funny. And I think I could actually put a type of wall on that generic model face, and let's have a bit of fun. I'm not sure if I can put an exterior glazing. Unfortunately not. That's a feature that I really would like Revit to have, to put exterior glazing on this kind of sweep. You can put, but you need to work with massing, which is a bit different. But you can still put, I think, a wall, a normal wall, let's say CMU insulated. Yeah, and you can actually put some brick. And I think this should look like a Tate Modern kind of chimney. And yeah, it looks interesting. Yeah, we played around. So this is the tool that you can use and have a bit of fun. So yeah, let's go to generic model. So it was this blend tool basically. That was the tutorial. Thank you for your attention, and we'll talk about revolve, sweep, and sweep blend in other tutorials. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.